Welcome to our tutorial on in-place mates. In the previous lesson, when we inserted a new part, SolidWorks automatically created an in-place mate. An in-place mate means that the part is fixed in space and can't be moved. If I try to move the part, I get a message from SolidWorks saying that the selected component is fully defined and that it can't be moved. Let's right-click and delete the in-place mate. I do want to keep the reference, so I will click No. Now the part can be freely moved. I'm going to create a new mate now. First, I'll select this edge and this edge and click OK. As you see, the part can still be moved and rotated along this edge. Now I'll select this edge and this edge and click Accept. Now we have two mates, coincident mates, instead of one in-place mate. When I mouse over the mates, I see that they are highlighted in the graphic area. And this concludes our tutorial on in-place mates.